Hello everyone, it's your girl Diana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to cook just a simple meal, bread with cheese, mushroom, and salmon fish. So as you can see here, we have oil, we have here salt, we have paprika, we have chili seasoning, we have cayenne pepper. We have our salmon, mushroom, butter, lemon, onion, um, carrots, garlic, and our cheese. And this sauce I mix garlic and ginger together. So this meal is very easy to cook. It takes a short time, and you can do this cooking. And you can eat all time, even like dinner, or you can use for lunch. So it's nice cook because it's little, like it takes a few minutes to cook, and it's easy. So now I'm going to put the butter. As you can see, I'm going to put the butter here. And our salmon is already, I'm already washed it, but I don't put any spice yet. So after butter get melted, I'm going to put my salmon in the pan. So I'm going to put my salmon fish. I'm going to add all the seasoning. We have cayenne pepper here. I put paprika. I put chili. And make sure you are stove amount of fire is in a small amount in order to make your salmon don't get heated too much. So I'm going to add a little black pepper. And I put my salt. You see my salmon. So I'm going to add a little bit of lemon. So I'm going to do, as you can see here, make it separate the other to get little easy. I'm going to add a little chili. This make salmon more taste of our salmon fish. So do you see our salmon in a small pieces? So you wait for a few minutes, like 5, and then you can get it out. Salmon, see as it gets like fries, so I'm going to put in this small plate. You can see our salmon is here in the plate. It's already here. So now I'm going to add a butter, a little piece of butter, and make sure all is melting. And I'm going to put my mushroom. This mushroom I cut in the small pieces, but if you want you can put like what is it, but for me I prefer to cut in the small pieces. And I'm going to add my spice, garlic and ginger together. I put it a little amount. And now I'm going to put carrot, onion, and green chili. And you can put even a small amount of fire in your stove. So I'm going to add these things. I'm going to put green pepper, onion, and carrot. You can cut in the small slice like what I did, but if you want to, you can cut in the small piece. I mean a big piece. But for me, I prefer to cut in the small pieces. So you can make sure it's fried a little in order to make the mushroom taste salty. So you have to wait for a while. So as you can see, my dear viewer, now our vegetables and mushroom are now soft. So I'm going to add our salmon fish over here. So you're gonna mix it together well. So now you're gonna put a cheese. I'm gonna put a cheese. So you can put any cheese you want, but for me today I use this cheese, as you can see here. And I'm going to put like 5 threads. If you like more cheese, you can put more. I like cheese, yeah, but I put like 6, so 6 is enough. I'm going to cover on my top foil. I'm going to cover it. So, and make sure your amount of fire is small. For me now, I put like 5. Yeah, so you can wait for a few times in order for cheese get melting. And you can, so let's wait for a few minutes, like 5 or 7 minutes. So now as you see, also my cheese is going melting, as you can see here. So I'm going to mix it together well. We are going to add with this blade so now it's already, and I can switch off my stove. I'm going to put another frying pan because I want to make my bread. I want to make my bread. a little butter. So I want to melt a little bit of butter. So now I hope my frying pan get hot. I'm going to put a piece of butter. I'm going to make like this to my bread to get those butter. So I think my bread already get hard. You can see inside is little soft. And I switch off my stove, and now I'm going to put this inside my bread. So as you can see here, guys, our bread is already for it. So this is a easy and very quick meal. You can eat in the dinner, lunch. Yeah, it's very quick.